Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Capability Access Manager issues in Windows 11. First method is run multiple commands one by one. If any error using this command, use safe mode. Second method is network reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.